Hello guys, welcome back here. We are going to be starting a series of suit making. Okay, in this series we'll be making two suits, all well detailed. We'll be making a double-breasted jacket and we'll be making a single-breasted jacket. Okay, having said that, we are going to be starting off with the black double-breasted jacket. All right, and then after which we'll move on to the checked single-breasted jacket. And we are going to make this course very, very detailed. We'll be learning how to make a roll lapel and our double collar lapel. Oh yes, and we'll be doing all this with our simple um, materials and accessories around. You don't need to be past stitching and all of that. All those are long steps. Okay, just imagine you have lots of clients are waiting. You want to make senators, and you then have to be wasting time with fast teaching and all of that. Now we have put together step by step suit making course, very easy, efficient, and effective. So please stay tuned as we get started into the suit making. The fabrics or the accessories we'll be making use of is not something so difficult to get. This is the fabric. Here we already have our fabric cut, our suit cut already, and our pattern here is unique and yeah, very, very unique. And we have a signature pattern of cotton used only by us, developed by us. And you, our followers and subscribers, are lucky because you are going to have a first-hand, experience or first-hand idea of what this signature cutting method looks like, and you are going to learn from our signature pattern. Here we have the fabric. We are not going to be doing any abstract physics or abstract math here. Our regular fabric. This is coat sleeve, or rather SA. We call it SA. This is SA. We have different textures of SA. We'll be making use of our black lining, and this is our hip curve. This is our wax check. Okay, this is our wax chop and then check, and then this is our tape. This is basically all we are going to be needing. And then if you have a sleeve board or shoulder board, perfect. A sleeve board rather, perfect. But if you don't have it, don't worry. If you have a pillow, perfect. If you don't have it, don't worry. Okay, we are committed, or the major aim is to get you into the suit making track. It doesn't matter whether you're a total beginner or you're a professional in suit making. This is a completely different ball game. Here we'll be needing our shoulder, rather our crown pad. Okay, but if you don't have it, no problem. We'll always improvise. And then as usual, we need our shoulder pad, our buttons. Okay, over there is a suit we have already made. As you can see, let's go very close and take a look at the lapel. As you can see, this is a complete roll lapel. Okay, it's rolling, and then it is the double stand collar. As you can see, double collar. All right, look at how unique it is. All right, so that is that. So having made introduction, let's get started. So get your fabric. If you want to get access to our signature method of cutting, please do well to indicate it in the comment section. And if you've come this far with us, this is Climax Melody. Do well to like, subscribe, share this video so that others can also benefit from our videos. You are just starting out, please do well to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Thank you.